Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.3 question number 2. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Here also we'll use the remainder theorem. We'll use here the remainder theorem. It is given that we have to find the x minus a is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to a. We'll use here the remainder theorem. Let px is equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Therefore, PA is equal to a cube minus a into a square plus 6a minus a, or we are getting a cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a. This will cut. 6a minus a is 5a. Therefore, by remainder theorem, we'll get the remainder as 5a. Therefore, the remainder is the remainder is 5a, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.